Welcome to the Brandenburg Gate, one of the most iconic landmarks in Berlin and a symbol of both German history and European unity. Standing tall in the heart of the city, this neoclassical monument has witnessed over 2 centuries of historical events that have shaped not only Germany but the entire world. The Brandenburg Gate was constructed between 1788 and 1791, commissioned by King Frederick William II of Prussia. Designed by the architect Karl Gotthard Langhans, it was inspired by the Propylaea, the grand entrance to the Acropolis in Athens. The gate was meant to mark the end of Unter den Linden, Berlin's grand boulevard, and it symbolized a peaceful gateway to the city. Crowning the gate is the impressive Quadriga, a bronze sculpture by Johann Gottfried Schadow. The Quadriga is a chariot drawn by 4 horses, driven by the Roman goddess Victoria, symbolizing victory and peace. Over the years, this sculpture has seen its share of drama. In 1806, after Prussia's defeat, Napoleon took the Quadriga to Paris as a symbol of his conquest. But in 1814, after the defeat of Napoleon, the sculpture returned triumphantly to its place atop the gate. Fast forward to the 20th century, the Brandenburg Gate became a powerful symbol of division. When the Berlin Wall was erected in 1961, the gate found itself in the middle of a restricted area, cut off from both East and West Berlin. For nearly 3 decades, it stood as a lonely monument, a silent witness to a divided city. It was inaccessible to both East and West Berliners, standing just beyond the wall, isolated from the world around it. Everything changed in 1989 when the Berlin Wall fell. The Brandenburg Gate became a rallying point for celebration and unity. On December 22, 1989, the gate was reopened, an emotional moment witnessed by over 100,000 people. The once isolated monument now stood as a powerful symbol of reunification, representing the end of division and the beginning of a new era for Germany and Europe. Over time, the gate required careful restoration. The sandstone structure had weathered not just the passage of time, but the wear and tear from historical events and celebrations. The annual New Year's Eve fireworks, for instance, left their mark. After nearly 2 years of restoration, the gate was unveiled again in 2002, standing once more in its full grandeur. Today, the Brandenburg Gate remains a must-see for visitors to Berlin. Its columns, stretching nearly 26 meters high, serve as a reminder of the endurance of this city and its people. It is more than just a historical monument. It is a living symbol of peace, unity, and resilience. While it once stood for division, it now represents the reunification of Germany, a proud marker of the country's journey from conflict to harmony. Today, it remains a gathering point for celebrations, political rallies, and moments of reflection. Whether it's the New Year's Eve festivities that draw thousands here or a quiet moment of contemplation, the Brandenburg Gate continues to bring people together, standing as a symbol of hope and unity for generations to come. As this virtual journey comes to an end, let the Brandenburg Gate remind us that even in times of division, there is always the possibility of unity and peace. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and happy exploring.